Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so glad you've tuned in today. Let's dive into the word of the day, which is banana. A banana is a noun, and it refers to a long yellow fruit that is sweet and delicious. You've probably seen or eaten a banana before, as it's one of the most popular fruits in the world. The word banana is commonly used in everyday language. For instance, you might say, I had a banana for breakfast, or can you grab a banana from the fruit bowl? It's such a simple yet versatile word, and it fits into many casual conversations about food, health, or even grocery shopping. Now, let's talk about some synonyms. While there aren't many exact synonyms for banana because it's a specific fruit, you might hear it referred to as a plantain in some contexts. However, keep in mind that plantain is usually used for a different type of banana that's less sweet and often cooked before eating. For example, you could say, plantains are similar to bananas, but they're not the same. On the other hand, the antonym for banana isn't straightforward since it's a type of fruit, but you could think of something completely opposite like a vegetable. For example, unlike a banana, a carrot is crunchy and not sweet. In everyday life, you might use the word banana in phrases like, this smoothie tastes amazing with banana in it, or the kids packed a banana in their lunch boxes. It's also part of fun expressions like going bananas, which means going a little crazy or overly excited, such as, the crowd went bananas when the band started playing. Here are a few more examples to help you understand. I peeled the banana and added it to my cereal. He bought a bunch of bananas at the market. That monkey is eating a banana. To wrap things up, today we've explored the word banana, a noun that describes a long yellow fruit. We've looked at its meaning, how it's used in everyday conversations, and even touched on its synonyms and antonyms. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Hello Word. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. Don't forget to create your own sentence using banana and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.